Good morning, 12th class. Today we'll do numericals regarding to depression in freezing point and elevation in boiling point. Now just see, formula, hope so learn also. Now first one is, it's a 2013 question, board ka question. Again, now just see 18 gram of glucose C6H12O6, that is molar mass is equal to 180 gram per mole, is dissolved in 1 kg of water in a saucepan. At what temperature will this solution boil? Kb for water is given to you. Boiling point of pure water is also given. Okay, now just see, it means in this one you have to calculate what? You have to calculate Tb, because question is at what temperature that solution will boil. The solution is that one is represented by Tb. Okay, now just see, after that for calculating Tb you have to calculate delta Tb, because for T not B, that one is given to you 373.1. okay, but you have to calculate delta Tb. Now for that we have formula, delta Tb is equal to Kb into 1000 into Wb upon Wa into Mb. Okay, now what is given to you? It's a Wb is given 18 gram. Okay, then Mb 180 already given. Now just see, Kb is 0.52 now. Okay, now Tb is given. Wa, now here Wa is given in kg, but you have to convert it into gram. Keep it in mind, this one is a very important point. Whenever things is given in kg, you have to convert it into gram, because we are already multiplying this whole formula with 1000. Okay, that's why you have to take it in gram. Now after that, delta Tb, now put all the values in this formula. Done. It's a 0.52 into 1000 into 18 upon 1000, then 180. Okay, calculate whatever is cancelable. Now this one is 0.52 upon 10, so its answer is 0.052 Kelvin. This one is delta Tb. Now delta Tb is with you, so you have to calculate Tb. How? Now just see, formula, delta Tb is equal to Tb minus T naught B. Now Tb, this one goes that side. Okay, the delta Tb minus T, this one minus goes that side, become plus. So this one is delta Tb plus T naught B. Now put values and your answer is, okay, this one is 373.202. okay, acha, now this one is, again you have to calculate. This one is regarding to, that one is at what temperature solution will boil. Okay, now another question, just see, this one is calculate the freezing point. Again this one is also same, but calculate the freezing point of a solution containing 60 gram of glucose into 50 gram of water. Kf of water is given to you. Now just see, in this calculate the freezing point of a solution. There you have to calculate boiling point of solution, here you have to calculate freezing point of solution. It means you have to calculate Tb. For that you have to calculate, you have to calculate Tf. okay, for that you have to calculate delta Tf. now here just see, water is given to you, Kf of water. okay, so in this case, that one is, water is used as a solvent. So water is used as a solvent, and the freezing point of water is 273.15 Kelvin. That you have to remember, because when we will take freezing point of water, so we will take exact Kelvin, that is 273.15 okay, Kelvin. Now just see, calculate delta Tf is equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. Now whatever is given to you, Wb is equal to 60, Mb is equal to 180 gram per mole, Wa is equal to 250 gram, Kf is also given to you. Now put all these value in this formula. okay, after this you can solve it. Now just see, 250, this one is 4. now calculate it. This one is 6 into 3. After solving this, your answer is 2.48 Kelvin, but you have to calculate freezing point of solution. Now formula, delta Tf is equal to T naught F minus Tf. okay, this goes that side and this one goes that side, it becomes delta naught F minus, T naught F minus delta Tf. now put value, as I told you, this one you have to take it as 273.15 Kelvin. okay, now just see, 270.67 Kelvin. okay, this one is regarding to your question. Now just see one more question. What will happen to freezing point of a Ki, it's a potassium iodide aqueous solution, when mercuric iodide is added to solution? Now just see, mercuric iodide formula is Hgi2, potassium iodide is Ki. Okay, now in this what happened, actually when both combine it forms a complex, that is K2Hgi4. If you remember, this one is Nessler's reagent K2Hgi4, so it forms a complex. Now remember one thing, whenever they form a complex, so what happened? Okay, just see, number of solute particles, means Ki, number of solute particles in the solution decreases. Okay, because it's a complex is forming, combination is there. Okay, that's why solute particle decreases. Okay, this in the solution, resulting in the increase in the value of delta Tf, and just because of that, that depression in freezing point increases, and as a result what happened, that one is this one is, as a result, freezing point of the solution will increase. The normal freezing point is increases and delta Tf is decreases. Okay, thank you.